Hi friends, in the previous section we have discussed about some properties of group, definitions of group. Now we have to think about the one more property of group. That is, if we take any two elements from the any group and we take the product of it, and if we take the inverse of that, then its inverse is nothing but the inverses of that each element in the reverse order. Okay, so if G is a group, then for all A B belongs to G, A dot B, we have taken the product of 8 and we take the inverse of 8, then the inverse is nothing but the inverses of the each element in the reverse order. Okay, let us try to prove this. Suppose A and B are elements of J. Obviously, these are the two elements of J. Then the inverses are exist that are A inverse and B inverse. Okay. So now by the definition of inverse, we know that the A inverse into A is nothing but the E, that is identity element, and B inverse into B is nothing but the identity element. Obviously, is we can write this is because of the commutativity, right? Now we have to show this, that's A into B whole inverse is nothing but the B inverse into A inverse. Okay, so now consider A into B will take B inverse into A inverse. Okay, now so after that the A B into B inverse. अभी ये जो हमने लिया है ये क्यों लिया? Because composition in G is associative, बराबर कि नहीं? The composition G is in associative. So obviously by this step we will take this. It's A into B inverse, whole inverse. By associativity we change the order of it. Okay. So in order change there is no change in that. Okay. So B inverse into B is nothing but that identity element, and A into E, the identity element, is nothing but the itself. Okay. And A, this, we know that so identity element A into E is nothing but the A. Therefore we get this is A, and this A into A inverse, and obviously this is nothing but the identity element. Okay. So let it be some 1. After that, also we will think that B inverse into A inverse, because we have to show this, right? A inverse into A is equal to E. A inverse, A into A inverse is also equal to E. So we will take in this form. First we take this element. Here we take the order in the reverse form. Okay. By obviously we will use the laws of commutativity. Directly we are not use that law of commutativity because we don't know it's an abelian group or not. Okay. For our purpose we will take in these orders. Okay. So also the composition in group G is nothing but associative. That's why we take this. By similar we have to think about this. Let's say A into A inverse is by associative properties identity element. Identity element into B is nothing but the itself, and B inverse into B is nothing but identity element. From this 1 and 2, we observe that AB into A inverse into B inverse is identity element, and AB into B inverse into A inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse into AB is also equal to identity element. So we have shown this. So obviously when these two, the product of these two elements is identity element, then they are the inverses of each other, right? Okay. So AB is this into its inverse is nothing but the identity element. So by definition of inverse, AB, the inverse of this AB is nothing but this B inverse into A inverse, and which is required, hence into. Okay. In the next section we will discuss about the other properties of the group. So thank you very much.